Hi, I'm Victoria and I'm a menopause nurse, and I have a lot of women come to see me about all sorts of things. Now, I really recommend Secret Whispers. These really work, these are really effective, and it just changes women's lives. I had a episiotomy myself with my first child, tore with my second, had a repair which went badly wrong, so ultimately I had no support until Secret Whispers, and I'm not kidding you, 3 weeks in, so different. I can sneeze without anything coming out, which is fantastic, and I highly recommend these. I can't recommend them enough. You get so much good support from Julie and following it to help you carry on and ensure that you get the best from it.